So here is how to restart iPhone. There are two different ways you can restart an iPhone. For this one, I will first go over to the Settings application. So open up Settings, and once you're here, search for the Accessibility option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here on the Accessibility page, you will get to see different options to choose from. But for restarting, you need to look for the Touch option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, go over to the Assistive Touch option. Then, you need to enable the Assistive Touch, which will give you the circle on the screen. Then, if you tap on the circle, you will see something like this. Select Device, and then tap on More. And on the bottom left, you will get to see the Restart option. Select Restart on the screen, and your phone will now restart. Another way is to simply press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Then just swipe the slider and your phone will restart. And that's it. That is exactly how to restart iPhone.